International Kitchen. Today I'm going to make a stromboli. A stromboli is an Italian dish similar to a stuffed pizza. Let's start. First, you need to have 16 ounces of pizza dough. I'm going to use my homemade pizza dough. You can find the recipe linked down below. Next, for the meat, today I'm going to use salami, bacon, and pepperoni. You can use any meat that you prefer, and there is no exact measurement. You can add as much as you like. Now you need to have a half of cup of your favorite sauce. Today I'm going to use marinara sauce. You need to dice a half of bell pepper and slice 2 medium mushrooms, 1 egg, some flour, 2 cups of mozzarella cheese, and some sesame seeds. Now we are going to create our base. I'm going to spread some flour on the surface. You don't need to have too much flour, just a little bit. On the dough, I'm going to add more flour. I'm going to create a rectangle. It doesn't need to be perfect, just you need to make it in rectangle so you can roll it easily. Now the base is ready. I'm going to spread the sauce. The good thing about this dish that you can prepare it according to your taste, and you can make different sections. For example, I'm not gonna spread the sauce in all over the dough. Just be careful, do not overdo it with the sauce because you don't want to end up with a soggy bread. Okay, it's ready. Next step. So now I'm going to spread the meat. Now I'm done with the meat. As you see, I have a section just pepperoni and another section salami, pepperoni, and bacon. Now I'm going to add the vegetable. Now I'm done with the vegetable. You don't want to add too much vegetable because you don't want to end up with a soggy stromboli. Now I'm going to add the cheese. It depends on your taste. You can make it cheesier. I prefer 2 cups of cheese. I think that's enough. But if you prefer cheesier, you can add more cheese. Okay, I'm done with the cheese. As you see, there are 2 different sections. In this section, I didn't add any cheese or vegetable. Now I'm going to roll the stromboli. The 1 egg that we had, I beat it really well. I'm going to use it as a glue to roll the stromboli, and after that I'm going to egg wash the top. In all edges, you can put it in all edges, so it helps the dough to stick together. Okay, I'm going to pull it over. And here as well, just put it over very gently. Okay, our roll is ready. I'm going to put it in a tray. You must do it very gently. Just very gently roll it over. Yes. I'm going to make some cuts on the top. Okay, now I'm going to cover it and let it sit for around 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'm going to egg brush the stromboli. There is no special order. You just want to cover all around your stromboli with egg. Now it's done. I'm going to sprinkle some sesame seeds. It makes it prettier. It's optional. If you don't have it, it's okay to skip it. And you can add as much as you like. I like it with lots of sesame seeds. Now I'm going to pop it in my oven that is already preheated 400 degrees for 25 minutes or until it's golden brown. After 25 minutes, I'm going to take it out. Wow! Look at it! How pretty it is. It's ready to be sliced and serve. Bon appetit!